You know, this wall is kind of plain, so why don't we redo it? I'm gonna put some wallpaper on here. I have no idea how it's gonna look, but I ordered from Amazon this wallpaper. It's kind of like a mural, geometric pattern, silvery gray type stuff. And I'm gonna put it on this wall. And this wall is about 17 feet wide. The wallpaper only covers 12 feet. So I'll leave some edges on the side. I'm gonna paint the walls as well. I don't know what color I'm gonna do. I got this paint chip. It's kind of a grayish. It's hard to tell how, it's about the same tone as the wall, maybe a little darker even. And I think I want to go brighter because I'm going to put the paint across the windowed wall over here as well. And I like an overall brighter look if possible. So the first thing I got to do is spackle these holes. I washed the wall, I cleaned it already, got the debris off of it, so hopefully the wallpaper will stick. Now this is kind of an experiment because the wall is kind of textured. It's a smooth texture though, but I don't know if the wallpaper is going to stick that well, what it's going to look like. If it doesn't work, well, we're just out $99 for the price of the wallpaper. So the next thing I have to do is go to Home Depot and pick up some, maybe I'll get some sample paint and some spackle. We'll fill these holes and then we'll go on to the next step. So here we are at Home Depot. Let's go get some paint samples or some paint chips and some spackle. Neutral whites, grays, neutrals, I think gray, something in the gray area. Lighter is drizzle. Alright, so this is what the general wallpaper looks like. Rolled out a little bit of a section so I can get an idea of the tones. It's supposed to be gray, but it has a little tint to it. I was thinking this is a natural gray palette, like even mid-tone gray that I got at Home Depot. And I think that, you know, it's okay, but you can definitely see the tint of the wallpaper in comparison. It's harder to tell in the lighter tones. I feel like these are okay. This etched glass, Tinsmith, maybe a little better. Distant Star, I don't think so. This is okay. This might go Heirloom Silver. See, Foggy London's a little darker, but actually it goes pretty well. Tinsmith, definitely whiter. Tinsmith. I like this Tinsmith. Yeah, Foggy London for a darker, but no, not quite right. Silver Feather, no, not quite right. This Tinsmith I think would go good if I wanted to light. Yeah, okay. I'm thinking Tinsmith. All right, I got some of this spackle, patch and paint. So we'll try to get these holes right here. So I got the Tinsmith color and I am just painting the sides of the wall where the wallpaper goes. I ended up getting the Tinsmith because I wanted a whitish color and I like this tone of white seemed to go with the wallpaper pretty well. Just rolling the paint. Okay, so I've just put on a coat of paint on the ends of the wall, here and here. And on top, wallpaper is going to go in between there. It looks like the one coat did pretty well. The guy said I'd take 2 coats. And I'm going to put another coat on just for good measure, but it looks like it covered pretty good. This is the Behr Ultra Plus something paint. That only took like 30 minutes or so or less, and I'm gonna wait 2 hours and apply the second coat and wait for that to dry. Probably tomorrow we'll try to put up the wallpaper.
Ta-da! It is all done!
So we got the wallpaper up, and it wasn't too hard. If I can do it, you can do it. I still have like maybe some edges to put on since the wallpaper didn't cover the whole wall. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to put up there yet, so that's a project for another day. This is what it looks like from this angle. You could do different effects like this. I'm on focus, so I don't know.